PetraShield products, we wanted to make the highest quality product out there. Not necessarily the lowest cost product, but the best product, the highest quality product that when you bought it and you put it on your car, you said, man, this really works. A true quality product that you, the consumer, go, I believe in this, it worked, it did exactly what it was supposed to do. So, when I get on social media, I see a lot of these ads and they'll show you different scenarios and how their product is great at fixing those scenarios. In many cases, those are all set up scenarios. I wanted to show how PetraShield is real without any gimmicks. So we decided to go out and find a 1965 Mustang that had been basically deserted. Rain, environment, heat, cold. We got this car full of dirt, rust, mud, brought it in and applied our products without any gimmicks. Now, we used a few core products on the Mustang due to the degree that Mustang was in such a bad shape. Top of the line product that we used for the Mustang was Red Fury. It is a very high concentrated, little acid-based degreaser that will basically clean anything up. So we used that to clean certain rust spots. We used that to clean the engine. We also used that to clean the wheels and the wheel well. We used also compound. So compound is something that we use with a buffer. This is going to take all the imperfections, all the dirt, all the grime, some of that corrosion off the paint so that we prepare the texture to be able to put a polish, that we apply a polish to it, and that polish is going to just bring out that brightness, is going to make that original paint just pop again. So we used on the wheels an ultra wheel cleaner, which not only cleans and dissolves some of the corrosion and grime and dirt that may be in the wheel, but it also makes the wheel pop. So we used some of that. We used it not only in the wheels, but we applied some of that to the chrome. In addition to all chrome areas, we used a chrome polisher that we have that is applied like a wax and taken off like a wax and makes the chrome pop. We also used upholstery carpet cleaner inside the vehicle to clean the carpet out. Then you extract all of that out. And we used Pro Interior to dress up all of the interior. That vehicle at that time had a vinyl interior, so we used Pro Interior for the vinyl interior as well as the dash and everywhere else that we could apply it to. Once rust starts, the reality is you're not going to stop rust, right? You can slow down rust. You can take a layer of rust off. If it just started, you can probably clean that off. We were able to polish some of that off. There's no gimmick here. So we brought the car in, we did what we had to do with the PetraShield products, and we're showing you exactly how it left. PetraShield is a professional line. It is created for professional installer, professional use. You cannot get it anywhere. It's only sold through our distributors. If you're interested in our products, give us a call or go on our website. There's a place on our website where you can ask for information. We'll have one of our distributors contact you.